How many types of protein-tyrosine kinases are there? A1, B2, C3, D4. The correct answer is 2. Which of the following parts is used as exothermic materials or insulators for the increase in efficiency of the riser? A. Chills. B. Feeding aids. C. Biscuit. D. Filler. The correct answer is feeding aids. Which of the following methods is used for the determination of optimum riser size? A. RMS method. B. Modulus method. C. Fin method. D. Ring method. The correct answer is modulus method. Which of the following factors is used to define the casting type in riser design? A. Plating factor. B. Ranginess factor. C. Kane factor. D. Pseudo factor. The correct answer is ranginess factor. The cooling characteristics of casting can be represented by the A. Volume to surface area ratio. B. Product of volume and surface area. C. Surface area to volume ratio. D. Surface area to perimeter ratio. The correct answer is surface area to volume ratio. Bringing two kinase domains in close contact allows for A. Trans-autophosphorylation. B. Cis-autophosphorylation. C. Inactivation of one domain. D. Inactivation of both domains. The correct answer is trans-autophosphorylation. Which of the following relations is given by chvorinov for the solidification time of a casting? A. TSKV-Sa2. B. TSKV-Sa. C. TSKV-Sa2. D. TSKV-Sa3. The correct answer is TSKV-Sa2. The protein-tyrosine kinases phosphorylate the residues. A. Adenine. B. Cytosine. C. Tyrosine. D. Chymosin. The correct answer is tyrosine. A sphere can be used as a riser because of its freezing ratio, which is greater than unity. A. True. B. False. C. D. The correct answer is false. In casting system, the riser is located at the lightest section to avoid any disturbance. A. True. B. False. C. D. The correct answer is false. Improper risering has always resulted in the formation of voids inside the castings. A. True. B. False. C. D. The correct answer is true. The core material should be highly refractory in nature to avoid any damages to it. A. True. B. False. C. D. The correct answer is true. The cytoplasmic protein-tyrosine kinases are activated indirectly by the extracellular signals. A. True. B. False. C. D. The correct answer is true.